Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. So I'm out doing one of those walk paddle trips again, except for I'm probably going to get a taxi back this time. I set off a bit later today. I kind of didn't know I was going to do it. And I woke up and I thought, it's a nice day, just do it. So I'm doing it. So I'm heading down to the Ouse now. It's about, what we're on now, 25 past 7, so I should be on the water before 8. I'm using the Nomad today because it's a bit sleeker as a packraft. Kind of want to see how it gets on. So my backpack is a little bit lighter today. Came in at about 9¾ kilos, just shy of 10. So not too bad. Not as light as the ultralight dry bag, the dry bag boat, but way lighter than the Deschutes trip. Way lighter. Looks like I might have a bit of an audience while I'm setting up today. Hello geeses. Oh, some young uns and an angry popper. Fat lad coming through. There we go. Bit muckier down here today. Anyway, everything's gone in the Highlander trim bag. Let's get set up. There it is, the Nomad, ready to launch. I do like it. As I say, I couldn't resist it. Couldn't resist. There is a little bit of a wind, bit of a headwind / crosswind, depending on which way I'm wending down the river. A little bit of a headwind just at this moment in time. You might be able to see that from the ripples on the water. But not to worry. Should be alright in this. Let's go. Off we go. Oh, let's do it. 7:55 it is now. Just need to get across to the other side because there's one of those mad professionals coming up. There he is. Well, can't see where he's going. So I need to get out of his bloody way. You're all clear, buddy. My God, this packraft does move nicely. Still spins though when you stop to do stuff, but that's just expected. That's expected. It's a glorious morning. Anyway, let's press on. what did you think of that in Slo Mo? Just thought I'd do it a bit different today. And I also thought I'd do it different as well, in the sense I was going to get a taxi back, but taxi firm I normally use, they say they haven't got anybody available until for a couple of hours. So I'm heading over to the bus stop, and thankfully I think there's one due. Hope. And thankfully I'm really close to the bus stop. Oh, there's people waiting, so oh, I was out for timing. How's that for timing? Oh, winner! Hi, S1D York, please. Right, made it back to York. Walk home. Interesting to see what the track me's like on this. It feels like it's been quicker. Well, that's a bit of a surprise. I'll put the stats on the screen, but considering I set off a bit later, this trip has actually taken me less time than the last 3 that I've done. Yeah, I'll put them side by side so you can see them. So, yeah, a bit surprising really. I think it's because it was really easy to keep going in this raft, and obviously the pack's quite light as well, so it wasn't too bad at all. Anyway, quite enjoyed myself on this very impromptu trip this morning. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know what you think about the Slo Mo bit. Alright, you take care. Cheerio.